Hello everyone, I'm Kurt. Welcome to my channel. Here is our factory. We are a professional manufacturer of electrical motorcycle. We focus on researching and developing electrical motorcycle. We provide many various models of motorcycle to our customers, and our products have exported to USA, UK, Russia, and so on. Today I will introduce this model of electric motorcycle. You can see this. It has beautiful shape, aluminum alloy wheel ring with 8,000 motor. It has powerful drive. And here is LCD instrument dashboard. It will record what speed you are in and how long distance you have ridden. And you can to LED headlight. It will help you adapt to night riding. And durable tire. It adapts to different situations such as raining road or steep road. Our electric motorcycle has 4 gears: S gear, D gear, P gear, R gear. Thank you for watching my video.